Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid, bitch. It's raining down on me, guys. Pause. Welcome back to the Shoemanati Show. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button. If you're new here and it's your first time watching, welcome to the Shoemanati Show. If you're a regular and you pull up every time I drop a new video, welcome back. I appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to watch the video. Shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin, whether you in America or you internationally in another country, shout out to you. Today, I want to give you guys a Hypebeast unboxing.
Boy, if you don't...
Not just any Hypebeast unboxing. This is a special Hypebeast unboxing. You have to be a Hypebeast in order to buy this sneaker.
What?
So, let's get into it, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa! So, guys, I purchased this sneaker last weekend. I had no real intentions of actually being able to purchase this sneaker, and it fell in my lap, so I had to cop.
Stop playing with my fucking name.
Today was a crazy day, guys. Like, we had a sneaker restock, your Jordan 3 Black Cement restock, the Air Jordan 9 Bread restock, and the Air Jordan 13 restocked as well. The Supreme drop was today. The Public Enemy drop, I actually was able to pick up a couple pieces from that drop, so I have some Supreme videos that is coming in the future, so look out for that. And of course, DJ Envy ran off of the radio in Breakfast Club. Light-skinned ass nigga. You waffle colored ass niggas really need to be stopped. The beige rage is real. But with that being said, let's get into this unboxing, guys. So this is another restock I hit on. I hit on the Yeezy V1 Pirate Black restock. I hit on the Yeezy V2 Bread restock, and then I hit on the Zebra V2 restock, and now I hit on the Yeezy 700 restock. Let's unbox these, see what they look like. I'm personally not a fan of these, but I am a fan of resale money, so I had to scoop these up, ladies and gentlemen. These just fell in my lap. I was not expecting to get these. I actually thought about doing a live stream in the moment and decided not to do it, and I end up being able to hit. I copped, got these for retail, and I'm glad, guys. Unfortunately, these are already out the window. They're already sold, but I wanted to give you guys a nice, clean unboxing of this and show you what I picked up, guys. And you can see what it is straight up. This is the 700, baby. I got another Yeezy, because who gives a fuck about a box? You got that Boost, you got that 700. Here's your labeling. This is the Yeezy Boost 700. Like, it just happened to be my luck. I was lucky enough to scoop these up. Like, I didn't even seriously want these. Like, I just happened to cop them, so it was like, I gotta grab them. I know it's some easy money, but here we go, guys. First impression. This is the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. Dad vibes on this. Not my style whatsoever. I wouldn't be caught dead wearing this sneaker, but I know it's worth a couple dollars, so I definitely had to add this to the arsenal. I'm usually not a hype beast of this level, but if I get a chance to make some money, I gotta do it. But this is a Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. You got the green laces, you got mesh, you got leather, you got suede. You got Boost, got the Boost technology on it. This is just different. This is just, I'm tripping off of this. Like, dude, I would never wear this in a million years. This looked like a 65-year-old sneaker. But it is what it is. Like I said, this is sold. It's already out the door. I just wanted to give you guys my unboxing of it. These are fucking garbage. You, like, it's a no. Like, Kanye, all that ranting and raving and acting crazy you was doing, talking about you a creative genius, and then this is the shit that you releasing, B.
You ain't got the answers, man. You ain't got the answers.
Like, it's a no. But, you know, it is what it is. Glad I was able to scoop these up for retail for $300. These have been flipped, and this is the Yeezy 700, man. This is the Wave Runner. I actually got a chance to get these in hand very early. Shout out to Urban Necessities and JC. when I went to Vegas, I got to get these in hand and give you guys a quick review. So I already have a review up of this on my channel. If you want to see that, I'll drop the link in the description box down below. But there's really no need for me to do a review of this. These are 100% authentic. These came from adidas.com. I copped these last weekend, and this is the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. It's got the 3M hits on it. You have colors of green, blue, gray, orange, off-white. Like, this is just a crazy sneaker. It is, just from the outsole to the upper. This just got that old school 90s dad feel, and I can't rock with that. It's not grown. This is a clean pair of sneakers, but it's just not for me. But these are going to be nice in someone else's home. Shout out to the buyer, he is a subscriber as well. Shout out to Mr. Skinny. Mr. Skinny copped these from me, and they're getting shipped out ASAP, dog. These will be in your possession very soon. He was the buyer of this sneaker, ultimately. Nice Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. Like I said, not my style, but for someone else, these could be that thing. But this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing of these sneakers. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Would you rock with them? Do you hate them? Would you have grabbed them if you could have got them for retail like me? What do you guys think about these? Follow me on all my social medias, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snap. Hit me up, guys. Thank you for taking time out of your day to just pull up, support me, and watch the video. More content is coming, and I'm just thankful, so blessed. I've been in my groove lately. Everything's been going great with the channel. I really have had my head in the game, and I'm gonna continue to give you guys solid, consistent content. Just hit that thumbs up and keep rocking with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone. The hell is this shit?
The return of the Mr. Burn suckers, not herpes infested, just perfectly blessed with a style that you can't F with. Protection recommended.
Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.